Hi, this is Greg, and I'm going to teach you my 4-wall, 48 count, beginner intermediate level line dance, the Gregory. There's only one restart, so let's get started. Your weight will begin on your left. What you're going to do is a series of hip bumps. You're going to bump your hip right, and left, stepping out to the right when you do that. Then the next part is you're going to rock forward on your right, rock back on your left, and do a coaster step on the right. So that's stepping back on the right, stepping left next to right, and stepping right forward. That's your first 8 counts. To that, you're going to add a series of heel jacks. You're going to step forward on your left, step to the right, a quarter turn to the right, and the heel jack steps are as follows. You'll cross left over right, step to the right, cross left behind right, step to the right, and place your left heel on the floor next to you. Step on the left, cross right over left, step to the left, and place your right heel on the floor on the right. Step on the right, cross left over right, step right, and then place your left heel on the floor next to you, and then step on your left. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Remember to step on your left foot when you come out of that. Let's add that to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, bump, 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 rock forward, rock back, and coaster step. Step, turn, cross, and side, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, step. Next, so on your right foot, you're going to touch the ball of your foot on the side. Then you'll lift your heel up, crossing in front of you. And then you'll touch the ball of your right foot on the side, and then kick behind you. So it looks like this. Touch, lift, touch, back. And then you're going to do a baby shuffle on your right. Right, left, right. Your weight's going to be on your right when you come out of that. On the left side, watch carefully. You're going to tap your left toe behind. Then you're going to tap your left heel in front. Then you'll lift your foot, crossing your foot over your right like this. And then you'll place your left heel on the floor. And then you'll shuffle left, right, left. Baby shuffle. Left, right, left. Okay? Let's do that one part together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, lift, touch, kick, shuffle, step, toe, heel, lift, heel, shuffle, left. Okay? To that, we are going to add a jazz box. Turning jazz box to the right. Crossing right over left. Stepping back on your left. Stepping a quarter turn to the right. And stepping left next to right. To that, we are going to add a syncopated crossing rocking chair, which looks like this. You're going to cross right over left, step on your left, and step right next to left. Then you're going to cross left over right, step on your right, and step left next to right. And to finish that phrase, you're going to step forward diagonally to the right. Baby steps walking. Right, left. Okay? So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, step, step, cross, step, 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 step. Let's take that from the top. Hip bumps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bump right, left, rock right, rock back, coaster, step. Step, turn, cross, side behind, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, and touch, lift, shuffle right, toe, heel, lift, heel, shuffle left, jazz box, turn, syncopated rocking chair, cross, step, step, cross, step, 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 step. Okay? To that, we're going to add a series of roll punches, diagonally shuffling forward to the right and to the left, and then diagonally shuffling backwards to the right and to the left. Looks like this. Slight baby shuffles forward, okay? Roll punch in the air, up high, to the right, shuffle forward, right, left, right. And then you're going to shuffle diagonally to your left and roll punch to your left, left, right, left. Then you're going to shuffle down low on the right. And while you're shuffling backwards, right, left, right, right, left, right. And then you're going to shuffle backwards to your left, diagonally, so baby shuffles, while you roll punch to the left. Left, right, left. Okay, let's try that in 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right, shuffle left, back shuffle right, back shuffle left. To that, we're going to add a series of light bulbs. We're going to light bulb shuffle to the right, and then do a 3/4 paddle turn to the left as you're doing your light bulb move. It looks like this. Baby shuffles, and then a paddle turn, 3/4 turn to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle right. And then you're going to do your paddle turn, which looks like this. Your right foot is going to be anchored to the floor on the ball of your foot is how you're going to turn. I'll move over a little bit so you can see better. And what you're going to do with your right hand on your hip and your left hand up in the air, screwing in the light bulb, you're going to do a paddle turn on your left as you slightly turn yourself, a 3/4 turn to the left. And you're going to end with your weight on your left foot. Looks like this. Step, turn, step, turn, step, turn, step, turn. Okay? And then step at the end on your left. Once you get all the way turned to your 3/4 turn to the left, you're going to drop your arms and the dance will start over again. Bump, 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 bump. Okay? So let's do the light bulb baby shuffle to the right, and then the light bulb turning paddle turn, 3/4 turn to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's add that to the top. That's the entire dance. Let's get started. 5, 6, 7, hip bumps, bump right, left, right, left, rock forward, right, rock back, left, coaster step, right, left, right, step forward, left, turn right, and behind, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, and heel, step, touch, up, touch, back, shuffle right, toe, heel, up, heel, shuffle left. Jazz box turn, back, together, and rocking chair. Step, step, roll, punch right, roll, punch left, back, roll, punch right, back, roll, punch left. Light bulb shuffle right, paddle turn, 3/4 turn. And that's it. Now let's try counting it out in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And here's a tip for the heel jack section of the dance. If you notice, I'm doing it on the balls of my feet, which gives me a little bit more leverage when I'm doing my jacks and a little bit more lighter and bounce to the move. Your restart will come in on wall 7, and you're going to complete everything in the dance up to the roll punches, and then you'll restart the dance. So it will look like this. Jazz box turn, rocking chair, rocking chair, rocking chair, step, step, roll punch right, roll punch left, roll punch restart, 5, 6, 7, 8, hip bump, rock, and coaster step, and so forth and so on. Another option you might like for your dance is to add the hand movements to it. So, when you're doing your heel jacks, You might consider moving your arms to the left, right, and left like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, turn, cross, hand, side, and heel, and cross, and heel, and cross, and heel. And that's the movement right there. So let's put the music on and get started. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, heel, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, walk. Roll, punch, right, left, back, and back. Light bulb, paddle, turn it. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, heel, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, walk. Roll, punch, right, back, and back. Light bulb, paddle, turn it. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, heel, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, walk. Roll, punch, right, back, and back. Light bulb, paddle, turn it. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, heel, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, walk. Light bulb, paddle, turn it. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, walk. Roll, punch, right, left, back, back. Light bulb, paddle, turn it. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, heel, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, walk. Roll, punch, right, left, back, and back. Light bulb, paddle, turn it. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, heel, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, roll, punch, right, left, restart in 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway, rock and coaster. Step, turn, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross and heel. Step, cross, back, shuffle. Toe, heel, cross, heel, shuffle. Jazz, box, turn. Cross and step, walk. Roll, punch, right, left, back, back. Light bulb, paddle, turn it, and that's the end. Great job! Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to my channel to get all of the latest content when I post it. This is Greg. Until next time, dance like no one's watching.